Whoa, stop scrolling. Have you ever seen a floating circle of ice, perfectly round, spinning in the middle of the freezing Arctic waters? Our animated explorer just stumbled upon these bizarre formations on Google Maps. They're called ice circles, and scientists are still baffled by how they form so flawlessly. Some say it's the swirling currents carving the ice. Others think it's something even stranger. These icy disks can be over 50 feet wide, silently drifting in the polar seas. Here's the wildest part. No two circles are ever exactly the same. What do you think causes them?